my name is Amirul Biazizi. My student ID is 9308230864330001. And today, on behalf of my team, I'm going to briefly explain our topic, which is how social media is affecting university students. According to statistics by MCMC in 2018, there is 24.6 million Malaysians that use social media, which high number of the user is university student.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nabil Aizuddin bin Razaini. My ID 9305150864230001. Now I would like to talk about factors affecting social media for university students. Regarding to my topic, the first point is about communication. Excessive use of social media among students will cause their ability communication skills face-to-face become weak. For the second point is addiction. Students who are overly addicted to social media will also interfere with their daily life. This is because normal day-to-day activities are not possible because students simply spend all the day using social media only. The third point is to try something new. This is because most university students at a young age are easily influenced by the desire to try something new and make a decision without thinking about the good or bad of what they are doing. The fourth point is to release tension. The process of learning at the university level certainly put pressure to students. Therefore, students surely will find something that will entertain them and potentially will spend too much time on social media.
Hi, my name is Faris Ataila bin Ahmad Faizal. My ID is 931012085343. Now, I would like to talk about solution social media for university students. For the first solution, social media for university students is turn off notification. The first thing that can be done is of course turn off your notification phone. You can select the setting that allows you to turn off notifications for Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. It will be easier for you concentrate on your daily tasks and allows you not to get distracted easily. Second point is limit your social media usage. These days, most phones are able to provide us with our application usage statistics. You can always start small by limiting your usage to an hour per day and increase the time limit gradually. You can also delete your apps or deactivate your account for a little while. Obviously, this will be a strong test of your willpower and reduce your addiction. Third point is indulge into a new hobby. Once you have already limited your social media usage, you will have a lot of free time. Therefore, now is definitely the best time for you to indulge into a new hobby. There are a lot of new things that you could try, such as learning new skills, fulfilling your bucket list. You will feel surprised by the amount of new stuff you can do when you stop dedicating your lives to social media. The fourth point is meet people in the real world. A lot of people think that social media is their escapism when they are dealing with a lot of stress. They could be wrong, as nothing compares to the face-to-face conversation that they could experience by meeting people in the real world instead of keeping up with them through a screen. Not only that, you can also spend more time with your loved ones, such as catch up with your family and friends. Always remember that you can make a new memories and keep them close to you even without documenting it with selfies.
In my opinion, social media is affecting university students in a positive and negative aspect.
As for my opinion, if the issue of social media problem among students of this university not monitored and overcoming, it will negatively impact future generation. One of the steps that the university can take is to create awareness campaign and program that require student participation. In addition, individual awareness among students should play an important role. This is because they themselves have to control the use of social media in their daily routine.
In my opinion, as much as we love scrolling through social media during our free time, it is important for us to know the limit. We need to ensure that we are not spending the majority of our day sitting in front of our laptop or smartphone scrolling through the social media. It is important for us to limit the usage of social media and think about our mental health. Furthermore, it is also important for us to maintain our safety while scrolling through social media. Last but not least, It also important for us be smart social media user. We should not simply listen or believe whatever propaganda that has been shared online. We need to always remind ourselves that we need to be smart and responsible to the social media user.